you. And we are seeing some new video tonight of repairs underway right now at Camp Creek Elementary School in Greene County. Crews working again today to install a new roof for the school's gymnasium, which was damaged by those hurricane-force wind gusts on Wednesday. The principal says installation should be done tomorrow so the students can use that gym again very soon. News 5's John Engel talking to people in Camp Creek who are all too familiar with these dangerous winds and the painful memories they bring back.
Wind gusts as high as 85 miles per hour tore apart the roof to Camp Creek Elementary's gym on Wednesday. The school's principal believes the gym floor was saved from rain damage, and through a community effort, students will again fill the heart of the school soon.
Within 20-30 minutes, we had, parents calling the school. Where the sheriff's department was here. They wanted to help. They were like, what can we do to help?
Rebuilding has become routine in Camp Creek, but hasn't gotten any easier. For some, the dangerous winds brought back painful memories of April 2011, when tornadoes took the lives of 8 people around Camp Creek.
When I first moved here, it sounded like a train coming off the mountain. Makes you wonder, well, when's the next one? I hope there ain't none. No, it was terrible.
Camp Creek is resilient. They have to be, because strong wind gusts coming off the mountain are part of life here.
So these winds that impact areas like Camp Creek are called mountain wave winds, and most common during this time of year when we have strong areas of low pressure develop. And as these winds rise, they typically hit some kind of strong inversion or stable air above the mountains, which tends to redirect the wind down toward the lee side of the mountains and accelerates the winds. And they can reach winds like we saw, over 70, 80 miles per hour.
We keep that in the back of our mind, but all we can do is be prepared for that. So as long as my kids are safe, we'll deal with situations like this.
In Greene County, Tennessee, John Engel, News 5, WCYB.